Part dos. Buena suerte. Buena suerte. You hit an autograph of Corey Harris. Oh, Ja'Cory Harris. Ja'Cory Harris. Oh, yeah. So, CLW. Black time. We might do this run back. I'll set it up in the store after the break is done. For those that want to do a run back of this football. Go around. Good luck. Buena suerte. Box number 1. Oh, geez. This stuff has been nice. Nice, pretty, and good to us. Nice, pretty, and very good to us. Has this product been? We're going to run the same break back, Knowledge. Same break, same boxes. Run it back. Alright, let's see. 1, 2, oh, do these right here. 2, 3, oh, nope, right there. 4, 1, 2, right there, flip you over. Alright, let's start. Now we're going to get to the card in the back. Let's see the focuses. Come on. I hate this camera. Come on, stupid camera. Work. Nobody cares. Alright, not gonna work. Sam Bradford out of 349, and we've got an Aaron Hernandez out of 349, which was backwards. I thought that usually was a hit. Aaron Hernandez. That's usually a black hit. Got a rookie, Bryce Brown for the Eagles. Oh, it's gonna focus. It's gonna focus. Yes, Bryce Brown for the Eagles, rookie. And man-to-man, Wes Welker, Darrelle Revis, Patriots, Jets. That one, and Adrian Robinson for the Giants, rookie. Josh Gordon for the Browns, rookie. These are all out of 349, correct? Yeah, 349 and 349. Material combos for the Saints, Drew Brees and Marquise Colston. Dual combos. And for the Rams, Brian Quick. Brian Quick, Onyx rookie jersey. The Saints card is numbered 7 of 50. 7 of 50. Alright. And behind him, oh, we got the autographs, huh? Bobby Rainey for the Ravens. Rookie auto. It's gold. Out of 99. And another gold right behind it. Ladarius Green, random for the Chargers. Should be out of 99 also, yep. And let's go this way. For the Browns, Brandon Weeden. Nice, Browns. Butch auto. We'll call it Butch. 83 of 99 on the Brandon Weeden. 3 of 99. So that's the gold one. That's the gold version. Brandon Weeden. Nice. And a AJ Green. Bengals in the playoffs. Weaponry. Huge weapon for the Bengals. Huge weapon for the Bengals. I laugh at my own jokes. So I can't see me. Alright, box number 2. Black football. No Fearless case. The distributor that he gets it from is sold out. He only had one box, so he picked it up. For those that weren't here earlier, I'll reiterate, everybody that joins all the breaks tonight, this box will be random off to one lucky person. One lucky person. Yeah, that's all we have is just one box. All right. Yep. Okay. Oh, and the last one's a redemption, anyways. All right. Rainbow Black. This one's backwards. Chris Johnson. What is this Chris Johnson gonna look like? Oh, very nice for the Titans. Look at that. Dual punch. If it ever focused. Yes, stay focused. Cool. There you go. Chris Johnson for the Titans. Butch. Very nice. That is numbered 5 of 20. 5 of 20 on the Chris Johnson dual watch. All right. Drew Brees. 23 of 49 on the Drew Brees. Matt Castle, captain, out of 349. And we got our rookie, Rhett Ellison for the Vikings. Vikings, big Odin. We got Titans there. Titans was Audi Tech with the Titans. Marvin Jones, Bengals. Marvin Jones. And a dual jersey random. Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. We got 2 randoms. I'll pull the other one out for the hitless teams. And Ryan Tannehill, Onyx rookie for the Dolphins. We got our 2 autographs coming up. John Beeson for the Panthers. Autograph. Very nice. Marks of distinction. And right behind, D'Angelo Peterson for the Redskins. For the Redskins. Oh geez, this is Redskins. And Stephen Hill for the Jets. Rookie signature materials prime, card number 15 for the Jets. Out of those Jets, another weaponry. 2 weaponries for the Bengals. Oh geez, Bengals are killing the weaponry. Random right there. Box number 3. Buena suerte, good luck. Long sickness. Waiting for a big name. Big name. I know we got Brandon Whedon. I need a big name. Big name. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Just want to make sure. Flip you guys over. Alright. AJ Green again. Jeez, AJ Green's all over this. Right behind AJ Green. Antonio Gates, random base. And right behind Antonio Gates, Sean McCoy for the Eagles. 349. 349. This one should be out of 99. 49. Got a captain for the Niners, Frank Gore. Never focused. Gotta get a new camera right there. Alright, right behind Frank Gore, Mark Tyler for the Green Bay Packers, and BJ Cunningham for the Eagles. Jeez, where are all the hits? Next hit coming up. Materials combos. Oh, look at those patches. Oh, sick. Matt Forte, Walter Payton for the Bears. Oh, jeez. Very nice. If it ever focused. Okay. He's got the Bears anyways. Bears. Baseball Moya with the Bears. Alright, let's continue on because this camera is really pissing me off. For the Bears, yeah, why not? You know, Bears hit big, let's keep hitting. Alshon Jeffries for the Bears. Onyx rookie jersey. So it should be numbered low. Oh no, out of 299. Alright, our first autograph. Dante Hightower for the Patriots. Oh, look when it wants to focus in now. And right behind Dante Hightower, we have Brandon Taylor for the Chargers. Another random. Jeez. Right behind Brandon Taylor. Kobe Fleener, two-color Butch. Autograph, Kobe Fleener. Two-color Butch. Number 269 of 349 on the Kobe Fleener. See if we can get that other one to focus in. Who was it? Real quick. And this is a Chris Johnson weaponry. Yeah, I know, ET. Let's see. Come on, you garbage. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. There it is. Nope. Not focused. Alright, but you can see the patches. Alright, come on. Another BJ Cunningham in the back. Right. A lot of BJs here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And flip it is over. Alright, here we go. Jake Locker. This is numbered at 349. Jake Locker. And Onyx rookie Ryan Broyles already. Oh, look at that botch. For the Lions, very nice. A nice Butch. And then numbered out of 49, 34 of 49, very nice. Lions is ASC. Alright, Greg Jennings. Yeah, 4 colors, very nice. 5 of 10 on the Greg Jennings. Very nice, 5 of 10. That's right there, 5 of 10. Short printed for the Packers. We have a captain, Phillip Rivers, captain. And right behind Phillip Rivers, Mark Tyler for the Packers again. Alright, and right behind Mark Tyler, BJ Cunningham for the Eagles again. And this is numbered out of 349. Material combos for the Jets. Mark Sanchez is Sean Green, dual jersey. This is numbered 3 of 50. And we have another Onyx for the Broncos, Ronnie Hillman. Onyx rookie jersey. Broncos, Ronnie Hillman. Go Pack Go, we say. And London Fletcher for the Redskins. Very nice. Veteran autograph. Nice London Fletcher. Redskins in the playoffs. 41/49. And Najee Good for the Bucks. Najee Good. Najee is numbered out of 199. Alright. Wrong Redskins player, he says. Oh, no. Did I give it away? Did I give it away? Nope. Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. That's the first Russell Wilson I've seen out of this product. Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Nice. Number 308 of 349. Seahawks. Who's got the Seahawks? Nicholas Smith has the Seahawks. And a Peyton Manning honors the Colts. Alright, last box of black. Good luck. Buena suerte. Nice Russell Wilson autograph. London Fletcher. Yep, Russell Wilson. Oh, don't tell me that. Sorry. No. Okay, good. 2. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright, here we go. Wes Welker for the Patriots, numbered out of 349. Von Miller and Champ Bailey, 33 of 35, black, dual jersey. And the Broncos, sticking with the Broncos, and D'Angelo Williams, black. Numbered out of 49, and the captains, Matthew Stafford for the Lions. We got a rookie, Michael Smith for the Bucks. Numbered out of 349, and Jeff Fuller for the Dolphins. Why is he? Oh, sideways. Jim Kelly for the Bills. Random. Jim Kelly for the Bills. Random. Jim Kelly is numbered 21 of 99 on the Jim Kelly, and we have a redemption for an autograph. BJ Coleman. BJ Coleman is Packers, am I correct? Yeah, BJ Cunningham is the other one. This is BJ Coleman, the Packers. Had a problem with that the other day. Hopefully he got my email saying we pulled up Cunningham and not a Coleman, but this is for the Packers. And oh, look at that, Seahawks doing work. And Bryofia's face. Bruce Irvin. That is numbered 97 of 189, and we have one more autograph. Jeff Demps for the Patriots, rookie. Wow, 3 rookie autographs, huh? Jeff Demps for the Patriots, that's numbered out of 199, and good luck, good luck. AJ Jenkins for the Niners. AJ Jenkins, Butch Auto for the Niners. San Jose. 12 of 349 on the AJ Jenkins, and a Andre Johnson for the Texas weaponry. And that was it. Muchas gracias. Thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got 4 randoms to do for the hitless teams. Be right back.